Good morning everyone. In this video I would like to share what are the different learning process, what are the stages of learning process. So before that, let us think what is learning. Learning is actually a process of acquiring some knowledge, aptitude or skill or language or something new. That a process of acquiring this new information or new understanding is called as learning. So learning process is happening in animals, in human beings, and in some kinds of plants also this can happen. So learning, we may feel like it is an action, but it is not an action. It is a process. We can say it's a complicated mental process. Let us see what are the different processes, what are the different stages happen when a child is learning. So like we all know, learning happens through our senses. When we receive a new knowledge through our senses, it goes it that impulses are going to our brain. So all the process, the remaining process are happening in the brain through senses. It has given to the brain. So the brain accepts the experiences through senses. That is the first stage. It has accepted. For example, we are taking a child to a zoo. So a child has seen, the first time the child is going to see a giraffe. Okay, so child has seen a giraffe. The child is very excited. So he's looking carefully what are the different features of giraffe, how they are eating leaves, how tall they are, like that they are going to experience a certain. Now it is going to connect that experience with the old one. Okay, so sometimes in some pictures he might have seen this one, the picture of giraffe or video of giraffe he might have seen. Now he is going to connect his previous images with the new experiences. That is the second process, connecting. After that, it is going to compare the differences, like how he felt when he has seen in a picture. He might have seen that is a small thing in picture, like a small thing, or neck may not be like that, face may not be like that. So now he is going to compare the differences. Is going to compare the textbook, the picture what he have seen, and the real giraffe he is going to compare. So that is the third process. So first accepted, then connected, now it is going to compare. Now after the comparison, he is going to identify what are the similarities, what are the differences. So that is the next process, identifying what are the similarities and what are the differences. He tries to classify that one, similarities and differences, like what he assumed before and now what he is thinking. So what are the similarities? Dark spots were there in picture also, now in real image also we can see dark spot. So like that similarities. But neck, he might have feel it is small, but neck is too large. So he comes to a conclusion that for a giraffe its neck is too long, and it is not a big one, a small one, it's a huge one. So he is trying to to find out the differences, similarities and differences. After that, he is analyzing that one, he is coming to a conclusion. Okay, so he changed his mental picture. Giraffe is not a small one as I have seen in the textbook. It is not a small one, it is a large one, it's a big one. It has a long neck. Like that, he has come to his own conclusion, not our conclusion, his own age appropriate conclusion. He comes to that conclusion. Now after that one, he is coming, he is getting a new situation where he is going to apply this one, real time application of this one. Maybe in another video or somewhere he has seen a giraffe. So the child is able to connect that one from his previous knowledge which we have seen in a zoo. He is trying to connect that one, and he is saying, yeah, by seeing a giraffe he is saying, yeah, it's a giraffe. Then we can say the learning process is becoming stronger, because like he is trying to understand the same giraffe that he has seen in the zoo, and he is finding out both the giraffe in the video and that zoo is similar. So he is understanding giraffe. Some case in some cases, especially in the younger kids, we can see by seeing a camel also they will get confusion, because camel is also a huge height. So by seeing a picture of a camel, or image of a video of a camel, he may have seen, might have say, sometimes you can say, oh, it's a giraffe. At that times, what his mental picture and what he has like analyzed is not may not be correct. So we have to re-evaluate. The child has to re-evaluate that one. If that is wrong, okay, see, for giraffe, these like dark spots are there, spots are there, but for camel it is not there. And we can see what the length of the neck of a giraffe and the camel is different. Camel has a bump, like that. Again the three evaluation happens. That means self correction going ahead. Like he is understanding, he is, oh, now he is saying, oh, no, for giraffe this much big bump is not there, like camel. So like that self evaluation is happening. Again this mental process, okay, like he is coming to the identify what are the differences and coming to a conclusion. And then again he is going to apply that one in another instance. So this is not a like action that happened, that stopped somewhere. It is like a process. If it is wrong, it is going to reevaluate and rechange that one. If that is correct, then it is going to, the learning process is getting to be more stronger. That base is becoming more stronger. So that's why we are saying learning is not an action, it is a process that is happening throughout, not only for kids, even adult. As a teacher, we are also learning every day. We are also experiencing new things, and we are trying to change our mental picture, and we are trying to complete this to have a cycle in this learning process. So that's all about the learning process in learning. Thank you.